Practice speaking English about health and wellness. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's lesson, we'll explore a long and useful conversation about health and wellness. You'll learn how to talk naturally about exercise, diet, mental health, and self-care, essential topics for daily life. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Leave a comment below to tell us how you stay healthy. Now, let's get started.
Hi James. How have you been feeling lately?
Hi Emily, I've been feeling pretty good. I'm focusing more on my health.
That's awesome. What changes have you made recently?
I started exercising more and eating cleaner meals.
What kind of workouts do you enjoy?
I like jogging and doing home workouts with fitness apps.
That's convenient. Do you go to the gym?
No, I prefer working out at home. It saves time and money.
I get that. I also use YouTube workout videos.
Same here. There are so many great free resources online.
How often do you exercise?
I try to move my body at least 5 days a week.
Do you follow any special diet?
Not exactly, but I try to eat more whole foods and less sugar.
That's great. What's your go-to healthy snack?
I love sliced apples with peanut butter.
Yum! I usually go for Greek yogurt with honey.
That's a good one, high in protein and tasty too.
Do you take any vitamins or supplements?
Just vitamin D and a multivitamin during the winter.
I take magnesium for sleep. Have you tried it?
No, but I've heard it helps with relaxation.
Speaking of sleep, do you get enough rest?
I try to sleep 7 to 8 hours a night. Sleep is key.
I struggle with falling asleep sometimes.
Try turning off screens an hour before bed, it helps.
Good idea. I often scroll on my phone too much.
Me too, but blue light really affects sleep quality.
Do you drink coffee?
Yes, but I limit it to 1 cup in the morning.
I should try that. I tend to overdo it with caffeine.
Too much coffee makes me anxious.
How do you manage stress?
I practice mindfulness and take breaks during the day.
I've been trying to journal every morning.
That's a great habit. It helps clear the mind.
Do you ever meditate?
Yes, for 10 minutes daily. It keeps me centered.
Do you think mental health is as important as physical health?
Definitely, they're deeply connected.
Have you ever talked to a therapist?
Yes, during a tough time last year, it really helped.
That's good to hear. I think therapy should be more normalized.
Absolutely, everyone needs support sometimes.
What do you do to relax on weekends?
I like reading, walking, and sometimes doing nothing.
Doing nothing is underrated. Do you cook most of your meals?
Totally, rest is part of being healthy too. Yes, I try to cook simple, healthy dishes at home.
I'm learning to cook more. Eating out is expensive and less healthy.
True, and homemade food tastes better too.
Do you drink enough water each day?
I try to drink at least 2 liters. Staying hydrated is crucial.
I sometimes forget to drink water during busy days.
I set reminders on my phone. That helps.
Do you drink soda or sugary drinks?
Rarely. I usually go for sparkling water if I want something fizzy.
What's your opinion on cheat meals?
I think they're fine in moderation. Balance is key.
Totally. I love pizza, but I don't eat it every day.
Same here, everything in balance.
Do you believe in detox diets?
Not really. Our bodies already detox naturally.
Agreed. A healthy lifestyle is better than a quick fix.
Absolutely. Long-term habits matter more.
Do you use any fitness apps?
Yes, I use one that tracks my workouts and steps.
That's helpful. I use one for guided meditation.
Great. Technology can support wellness.
What about social media? Do you think it affects mental health?
It can. That's why I take breaks when I feel overwhelmed.
Me too. A short break makes a big difference.
Sometimes we just need to unplug.
Have you ever tried a fitness challenge?
Yes, I did a 30-day plank challenge. Tough but worth it.
I did a squat challenge once. It was painful.
Haha, the soreness means it's working.
Do you think people talk enough about men's mental health?
Not really. There's still a stigma around it.
It's time we change that. Everyone deserves support.
Absolutely, mental health matters for everyone.
Do you use a standing desk?
Sometimes, it helps with back pain.
I've been thinking about getting one for work.
It's worth it if you sit a lot during the day.
Do you stretch regularly?
Yes, especially in the morning, it wakes up the body.
I always forget to stretch. I need to get better.
Even 5 minutes can make a difference.
Do you get regular health checkups?
Yes, once a year, prevention is better than cure.
That's smart. I should schedule mine soon.
Don't wait, your future self will thank you.
Do you think walking is enough exercise?
For many people, yes, it's gentle and effective.
I walk every evening. It helps me unwind.
That's a great daily habit.
What's your favorite healthy meal to cook?
Stir-fried veggies with brown rice and tofu.
Sounds delicious. I love grilled salmon with quinoa.
Healthy and tasty, a perfect combo.
Do you take breaks during work to rest your eyes?
Yes, the 20-20-20 rule is helpful.
What's that again?
Every 20 minutes, look at something 20 feet away for 20 seconds.
Oh right. I'll try that today.
It really helps reduce eye strain.
Do you use any natural remedies when you're sick?
Sometimes I drink ginger tea or eat garlic soup.
I do lemon and honey for sore throats.
That's a classic and it works well.
How important is mental rest in your opinion?
Just as important as physical rest, the brain needs a break too.
I agree. Even short pauses during the day help.
That's why I take mini mindfulness breaks.
Do you have any health goals for this year?
Yes, I want to improve my flexibility and reduce screen time.
Great goals. I want to run a 5K this year.
That's awesome, you can do it.
That's awesome. You can do it with regular practice.
Thanks, small steps lead to big results.
Do you think consistency is more important than intensity?
Definitely, doing something every day matters more than doing a lot once in a while.
That's true. I used to overtrain and burn out.
I've done that too, now I focus on balance.
What's your opinion on wellness influencers online?
Some are helpful, but not all advice is reliable.
I agree. It's important to do your own research.
Exactly. Not everything on social media is healthy or safe.
Do you think health should be personalized?
Absolutely. Everyone has different needs, goals, and bodies.
I recently took a food sensitivity test. It helped me a lot.
That's interesting. I've been meaning to try one too.
Do you track your steps every day?
Yes, I aim for 10,000 steps. It keeps me moving.
Same here. Walking is my favorite form of exercise.
It's simple and effective for both body and mind.
Have you ever done a mental health check-in?
Yes, I reflect on how I'm feeling every Sunday.
That's a great idea. I usually write down 3 things I'm grateful for.
Gratitude journaling is so powerful for mental wellness.
Do you ever take a break from the news?
Yes, especially when it becomes overwhelming.
Same. Sometimes too much information creates anxiety.
Protecting your peace is part of staying healthy.
Do you think people underestimate the power of breathing?
Totally, deep breathing is one of the best tools we have.
I try box breathing when I feel stressed.
That's a good one, it really calms the nervous system.
Do you ever do health challenges with friends?
Yes, we once did a 30-day water challenge together.
That sounds fun. Did it help you drink more water?
Definitely, and we kept each other accountable.
Do you use a health journal or planner?
Yes, I track my meals, workouts, and sleep in one notebook.
I should start one too. It sounds motivating.
It helps you stay on track and notice patterns.
What's your favorite form of self-care?
A quiet evening with tea and no screens.
That sounds so relaxing. Mine is taking a long bath with candles.
That's a perfect way to unwind.
Do you believe laughter is good medicine?
100%. It boosts mood and reduces stress instantly.
I try to watch something funny when I'm feeling down.
Same, laughter is truly therapeutic.
Have you ever done a digital detox for more than a day?
Yes, I went 3 days without my phone once. It was hard but refreshing.
I want to try that. Did you feel more present?
Yes, I had deeper conversations and better sleep.
Do you think mindset affects physical health?
Absolutely, a positive attitude can improve your immune system and healing.
I try to say affirmations every morning.
That's powerful. Starting the day with intention makes a big difference.
Do you think walking in nature is more beneficial than walking indoors?
Definitely, nature has a calming effect on the brain.
I feel more peaceful after a nature walk than a treadmill session.
Me too. Green spaces are great for mental clarity.
Do you think schools should focus more on teaching wellness?
Yes, from a young age, kids should learn how to care for their minds and bodies.
I wish I had learned about mental health in school.
Same, it would have made a big difference.
Do you think health is more about habits or motivation?
Habits, motivation comes and goes, but habits keep you going.
That's a great point. Discipline builds consistency.
Exactly, small daily actions lead to long-term results.
Do you believe health is a lifelong journey?
Yes, it's not a destination, it's something we keep working on.
That's inspiring. I like to focus on progress, not perfection.
I love that mindset. Every step counts.
Have you ever helped someone else get healthier?
Yes, I helped a friend quit smoking. It felt great to support them.
That's amazing. Positive influence is powerful.
It motivates you to when you help others.
What's the one health habit you're most proud of?
Waking up early and starting the day with exercise.
That's impressive. Mine is staying consistent with meditation.
Both are incredible habits for a strong mind and body.
I guess the key is just to keep going, even when it's hard.
Exactly. Health is a gift we give ourselves every day.